Hello, in lesson 4, we're talking about proportions. When it comes to proportions, that means that you have two ratios that are equal. So it's actually considered an equation. And there are three ways that you can test to see if two ratios are in proportion. One would be to write them both in their simplest form and see if they're equal. So if you think of, again, they might be written as fractions, or they might be written with a colon, or they may be written with the word 2, but you treat them as a fraction, put them in their simplest form, and see if they're equal. The second way to do it would be to find a common multiplier or common divider to see if one will be equal to the other. For example, if you have 2/4 and 1/2, you know that you can divide by 2 to get from 2/4 to 1/2, both numerator and denominator, so the ratios are in proportion. And our third and final way is the same way that we compared fractions when we were doing fractions. Check their cross products. Multiply numerator times denominator in both directions, both diagonals, remembering that your product should always be on the same side of the proportion or the equation as the numerator of the two numbers you're multiplying. If the cross products are equal, then they are in proportion.